Welcome to this overview video of ChatIQ. My name is Sebastian. I am the CEO and founder of ChatIQ. I built this software and I want to take you through an overview of where everything is in the app, how you can find everything, and just give you a bit of an understanding of what it does and what you can expect from the software. So first things to note is at the top right in every single page there's a button you can click for watching a tutorial, and that will give you a lot more information. So when you're actually in the app, if you have any questions, you can find it in there. But the other thing is, if when you're using the app and you don't know how to do something, you can always come to the interface and ask it a question. For example, if you wanted to, you could actually build a chatbot using the interface. But, for example, if I wanted to work out how I can delete data in my data feed, all I need to do is ask the interface and it will give me a step-by-step response of how to actually delete that data. The next thing is the data feed. This is where you'll be spending most of your time within ChatIQ. The data feed is essentially where you store all of the knowledge bases that you'll be using for different chatbots. So I've got 200,000 words currently uploaded to this account. Depending on the plan that you're on, you will have different word limits. But what happens is when you build a chatbot, the data that you give that chatbot is used as a reference for its response. So if you wanted to build a customer service chatbot, you would build a chatbot that has got all the information about your business, like your refund policy, your shipping times, etc. You can click and select whichever ones you want to build into a chatbot. You can organize these by a tag. So you can see here, I've got all of these by, for example, do biomed. These ones are all biomed, and then they would have gone into this chatbot. So 4 documents here, and down here on the right are all the chatbots that I've built. So at the moment I've got 5 that I'm just playing around with. These are mostly for different videos that I'm filming to advertise. But you can see this has got a chatbot here with 4 bits of data. So these are the 4 bits of data, and it's using English as its main language. You can search for data as well if you want to. So for example, you can do Roman. There you go. So we've got Roman law. There you go. So that's kind of the data feed. Chatbot workspace. This is where you'll be testing out your chatbots, or if you're using it for like revision, for example, you could also use the workspace as well. So you don't need to embed your chatbot to actually use it. So the workspace is going to show you a lot of information. On the left here, well, actually, to be fair, at the top, these are all the different chatbots. We can swap between them, and then we can ask questions on different chatbots. On the left, we have the different chats that we've got. I just, to be honest with you, usually just use one chat, but you can create multiple if you want to. Just make sure to delete them once you've done them, otherwise it can become quite confusing. You can search for your chats if you want to. It will remember history of your chats. So if you actually ask it a message and you come back to it in 3 weeks' time, it will remember the context for like the last 10 messages or 20 messages or something. Data. This shows you the knowledge that you've currently got uploaded into this chatbot that it's using for its responses. So you can see here the last question that I asked this chatbot, these are the PDFs that it's actually referencing in its responses. So I can actually read the PDF text, and it probably makes more sense if you look at this one. You can see here this document, you can read the actual part of the text. Same thing with this document. And if you wanted to, you can view the PDF. If you just copy and paste this to like Command F, within the PDF, you can actually find the part of the text if you want to. I'm adding that feature in fairly soon within this. So you can actually delete the data and add knowledge. Sometimes it takes a while to upload. I'm working on that at the moment. So you can, if you want, just delete the chatbot and just rebuild it. If you want to share the chatbot, so embed it in your website, click this button here once you're happy with how it all works. If you copy this code, it will give you the corner little bubble like we've got on our website. Or this one here will give it like an inline embed, and it would look basically exactly like this on your website, but it won't have this at the bottom. Prompts library. This is a very exciting part of ChatIQ. This is the more advanced area. So if you're not building sort of technical chatbots like customer service chatbots or specific designed chatbots for certain tasks, then you probably won't spend too much time in this area. If you go to the public prompt library, these are different prompts that I've written or other users have created, and you can use these in your builds. For example, here at the moment, customer service is being used the most. If you save this, it will basically create a duplicate in your personal prompt library. Now, if you make it public, everyone else can see it. If it's private, obviously only you can see it. You can add or remove prompts as much as you like. And once you've built a library of these prompts, you can add or remove these to any chatbots that you want, swap them out instantly with one click. What else is there? You can duplicate things. Have a play around in here. I will do a much more detailed description of how the prompt library works. And then finally, we have the settings. So for example, if my chatbot's not responding the way I want, I either need to give it more information by uploading more data, or I need to change the prompt. So I would come here, select my chatbot, and then pick a new prompt, for example, specialist educator. Here I can view it. I'm just going to put that back. Down here, I can change the intro message and some other bits and pieces. You can manage your tags as well. And then here's where you can view all of your account information. So that is an overview of ChatIQ.